Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to go over how to install Grammarly on a laptop. So first we're going to come up here and go to Grammarly.com. And it's going to say sign up or sign in using Google. I use Google. And here on the main screen it says enable Grammarly wherever you type. Get Grammarly for Mac. It's free. So I'm going to click that. And here it's going to say, do you want to get Grammarly for Mac and Chrome? I just want it for Mac. So now it's downloading. And once it's downloaded, we're going to go to our downloads folder. And here it is. Or open it. And it wants us to install Grammarly. And yes, we do want to open it. And it's going to open a setup window. And it's going to ask us to turn on the switch next to Grammarly desktop. It allows the application to control your computer. I'm kind of old school and like to control everything myself, so I'm going to skip that. But if we look in our applications folder, in here is going to be Grammarly. So this was how to download Grammarly on your laptop. Thank you very much for watching. Drop comments below. Thanks.